The year is 1760. The world is on the brink of change, but no one sees it coming. For centuries, life has remained the same. Farmers till their land, craftsmen work with their hands, and cities are modest, driven by human and animal labor. But in the shadows, something is stirring. A new force is rising, one that will reshape the world forever. The Industrial Revolution is about to begin. It starts in Britain with a simple but profound discovery. Coal and steam can replace muscle and wind. The first machines roar to life, spinning cloth faster than any artisan ever could. James Watt perfects the steam engine, and suddenly, factories rise across the land, devouring workers by the thousands. The quiet countryside is transformed into a landscape of towering smokestacks and endless toil. But this revolution comes at a cost. Workers flood into the cities desperate for jobs, only to find themselves trapped in a nightmare. 12-hour shifts in suffocating mills, children as young as 6 working dangerous machines, families crammed into disease-ridden slums. The promise of progress comes with suffering. The air thickens with soot, the rivers run black with waste, and an unspoken war rages between the rich factory owners and the laborers who power their empire. Meanwhile, the revolution spreads. What starts in Britain refuses to stay there. The steam engine powers locomotives, turning vast distances into mere hours of travel. The telegraph wires the world together, making communication almost instant. America, Germany, France, they all race to industrialize, eager to dominate the new world order. Empires are built on steel and steam, and those who fail to adapt are left behind. But progress has a dark side. With machines producing goods faster and cheaper, millions of skilled workers are no longer needed. The Luddites, furious and desperate, take up arms, smashing machines that have stolen their livelihoods. Is technology a blessing or a curse? This question haunts every step of the revolution. Then, a twist no one expected. The same machines that built fortunes also create something unexpected: rebellion. Workers begin to fight back, demanding fair wages, better conditions, and even democracy itself. Karl Marx, watching from the sidelines, pens a radical idea: if the rich control industry, then the workers must control the future. His words spark revolutions, shaping the political battlegrounds of the next century. As the Industrial Revolution marches on, it changes everything: warfare, politics, even daily life. The assembly line, pioneered by Henry Ford, revolutionizes production, making cars available to the masses. Skyscrapers redefine cities, and the world's first electrical grids flicker to life, pushing humanity into a new era. But here's a final twist: this revolution never truly ends. It evolves. From coal to oil, from steam to electricity, from factories to the internet, the same force that transformed the 18th century continues to shape our world today. The Industrial Revolution was just the beginning. What do you think? Was the Industrial Revolution humanity's greatest triumph, or a step toward inequality and environmental destruction? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden stories of history.